Hey there! Ever felt like your trading strategy was rock solid, but when I actually placed a trade, things went south? It's a common issue. Turns out, one of the big reasons for this is not having a clear grasp of the trend. Today, I'm excited to share a little known indicator that's a game changer when it comes to identifying trends. Let's start by cleaning up my chart. Open my Tradingview and clear out all those indicators by right-clicking and choosing Remove Indicators. Next, hop over to the Indicators tab and search for RSI Momentum Trend by this amazing scripter thanks to him or her. It's a bit of a hidden gem with only around 400 likes at the time of this video. I'll add it to my chart. Before diving into more details, I want to ask you to watch the video until the end because if you don't, there's no point to watch it at all. Because just before the end of the video, I was sharing with you the results of my 100 times backtesting / forward testing this strategy, so you're gonna see how amazing it is. Before that, it really matters that which cryptocurrency exchange you're using. I highly recommend when you want to try any new trading strategy, you must backtest it, or if you don't like backtesting, you can just use demo trading, which is available on Bybit. Previously, I made a video about it, and I want to make it so long so you can check it out and learn how to do it. But here's the kicker. I have a surprise for you. If you use my affiliate link down in the description, you have the chance winning up to $35,000 worth of USDT just by signing up, doing your KYC, and depositing at least 100 USDT and start trading on it. So what you waiting for? Maybe it's going to be your lucky day. Now, let's dive in. Now, what's the deal with the RSI Momentum Trend thing? Well, it's all about the Relative Strength Index or RSI and momentum. Let's have a quick pause here. If you don't know the whole concept of RSI, you can check my previous videos, which you can find the links both above here and down in the description. I made completely dedicated session about the RSI basics and then the optimized versions of it. This indicator calculates the RSI and looks at two kinds of momentum, positive and negative. Once a momentum condition is met, it's displayed on a chart. This way, I've got a clear view of where the market's heading. If I dig into the settings, I'll see that I can adjust the conditions for positive and negative momentum. But for now, the default settings work fine. I can also turn on or off the signal labels and trend ribbon. Let's keep it simple and turn off the signal labels. Now let's compare this RSI momentum trend with traditional trend indicators like the super trend. Trust me, I'll be surprised. The RSI momentum trend blows the super trend out of the water in terms of accuracy. Those false signals? Not so much of a problem here. Okay, here's a straightforward strategy I can use with this indicator. Let's add another indicator to the mix. Hit up the Indicators tab again and look for the Stochastic RSI under Technical section. Another quick pause here. If you don't know all about that, don't worry, I've got you covered. Previously dedicated session and video about it, you can see the link both above here and down in the description. This indicator helps me see shifts in market momentum. So the plan is to use the RSI momentum trend to lock in the trend direction and then let the stochastic RSI confirm my entry. Now I've got a full-on momentum strategy. But wait, there's more. For even better momentum indicators, I might want to explore more options, which you can check my previous videos in a playlist which I'm gonna leave by the end of the video. Okay, let's take a peek at the chart. If that RSI momentum indicator is showing a bearish trend with a red ribbon, get ready to sell. Wait for the stochastic RSI to cross above the 80 line, and when the orange line pops above the blue line, it's selling time. Set my stop loss above the last swing high and aim for a risk to reward ratio of 1:2. When the trend goes bullish and the RSI momentum trend ribbon turns green, flip the script. Look for the stochastic RSI lines to go below the 20 level. When the blue line dances above the orange line, it's time to buy. Keep my stop loss above the previous low. Oh, and don't forget, I've got the option to ride the trade until the overall trend shifts on the RSI momentum trend. If I go this route, it's a good idea to trail my stop loss above or below significant price levels, just you can see right about now. Now it's time for me to share with you just a part of my 100 times backtesting / forward testing this strategy. Shortly after, I will be sharing the results with you. Here are the results. There you go. What do you want more than this? And here's my surprise for you. Previously, I made almost an hour of video completely about proper risk management, how to do your proper position sizing, risk to reward ratio, winning ratio, whatever you need, whether you're a beginner or a pro, but you're kind of confused in between what am I supposed to do, this is probably for you. So give it a try, watch it, you will come back to me and you will thank me without any doubt. Also, if you want to increase your profit factor on the other side of the coin, beside the risk management, I highly recommend to watch this video of the mixture of Fibonacci resistance levels with supply and demand, or let's say price action, and you're going to find it crazy good with any trading strategy. It doesn't matter what trading strategy you're using, what is your indicator, what are you doing. This combination works out on any time frame, any trading strategy, and it's crazy good. I tried it out like thousands of times and it works out perfect. In a nutshell, understanding the trend is the holy grail of successful trading. Armed with the RSI momentum trend, the stochastic RSI, and these strategies, I'm geared up for the thrilling world of trading. Smash that like button if this info hit the spot, and subscribe for more trading wisdom. Got questions or thoughts? Throw them in the comments below. And remember, happy trading!